The cassowary is a stunning yet dangerous bird, native to Australia and New Guinea. With jet black feathers, a vivid blue head, and a tall casque, it looks almost prehistoric. Despite its beauty, it's one of the most dangerous birds, capable of delivering lethal kicks with its powerful legs and 4-inch, 10 centimeters, claws. When threatened, it can seriously injure or even kill. Adding to its eerie presence, the cassowary emits deep, rumbling calls, some of the lowest frequency sounds of any bird. Its mix of beauty, power, and mystery makes it one of nature's most fascinating creatures.